Hello, Cocooners!
Hi,
I'm Lori,
I'm Sarah.
and we're here in the Michigan Cocoon together. We wanted to explore creative embodiment, and I am the guide for intuitive art. And what do you guide?
I guide vocal play.
And we're going to just talk a little bit about each one so that you have a better understanding of how we weave it into the cocoon when we bring nature lessons and weave in the expressive arts activities. So why don't you start telling us what is vocal play?
Yes. So with a speech therapy background, vocal play is a term that we use in child development where the baby is making a lot of different sounds. It could be consonants or vowels or cooing or whistling or blowing raspberries. And they're really just playing around with their voice and playing around with who will respond to their voice. So I took that term and just wanted to bring it into our world, our adult world, of going beyond words before we even learn words to create a sound that's unique to us. And when we talk about vocal play, it's just exploring our own voice and whatever comes in, feeling into our body and our intuition of what sound we want to create for something. It could be an intention, it could be creating a sound for something out in nature. Really anything goes, and just keeping it light and keeping it fun. And we've explored so many different sounds together, from maybe an old song pops in from a memory, or maybe we create our own tunes, or something simple like a hum or a wishing of wind or an animal sound. Really, we've explored with all sorts of fun things. So that's simply what it is just creating a sound unique to you. Dee 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 dee. I'm already feeling this body movement, so we'll just do this. Show us a way, show us a way, show us a way, show us a way. Ha 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 ha. Well, that was a very interesting vocal play.
I really love the way you describe, like when you play with your vocal play and you're exploring what is the sound, and you might like change it up while you're exploring it, but when it finally lands for you, I love how you say, you always feel it, like you might get a chill or a yawn or a smile, or like you get the little teary-eyed. I always feel just like kind of warm and home And I usually smile a lot when my vocal play lands. So
Yeah, and that's what it's all about, is like releasing that energy and moving the energy throughout your body. I put a lot of, well, we do when we do it, a lot of gentle movements to it, and that's very intuitive as well, of what way is your body deciding to move. So are your arms going up, going down? Are they moving slow? Are they moving fast? And actually, as we're talking, I'm thinking too, with development as a baby and really exploring that sound repertoire, they're seeing like what message comes back, like the caregivers around them, what's being repeated, what's going back and forth, and that's how they decide what language lands, like what sounds to keep hold of. That is the response. So we're kind of creating our own language, responding to nature, responding to our body with those like yawns or chills, or I always get tingly in the eyes.
Yeah.
So yeah, those little responses back to us saying, aha, that's your sound.
Yes, I love that. And we often bring our creative embodiment into our lives and infuse it in. So with vocal play, I like to sing it or play it back after I record it on my phone. And it's amazing how like months later, I still can tap right back into that sound. So I wanted to add that piece in too.
Yeah, it's a very different part of your brain that you use with music and movement. It's that creative side that we're always exploring and unlocking within us all. And yeah, if you video the process, that's awesome to see how you do your movements, or if you just record your voice. It does kind of stay ingrained within you, and I'll sing it to my loved ones. I'll sing it in the shower or the car ride, and it's just a wonderful way to connect with you and the world around you.
Beautiful. A recent vocal play that I'll bring in from our last Cocoon gathering was I'm growing, I'm growing. I'm growing, I'm growing. I'm growing, I'm growing. Yeah, that was my vocal play for the phase of cocooning that I feel like I'm in. I'm a caterpillar munching away, growing bigger and bigger, and then shedding each layer of exoskeleton as I continue to grow as a caterpillar. Not quite a moth or a butterfly yet. And we've been doing that together. We both sort of resonate with that. We offer many one-on-one services to support you in these creative embodiment journeys. So we do have that available, but we invite you to come on into the Cocoon, check out our services, but you can also join us live at a Cocoon gathering where we weave in nature lessons and we go into an intuitive art space, and then we also vocal play. There's a lot of wisdom that you have inside you. It's locked inside, so you're the key. So it's time to unlock the magic within.
And then once you do release it, kind of sitting back and waiting for those messages to come. A lot of times I'll do a certain hand motion and I don't know what it means in the moment, but then afterwards, oh, maybe it's surrender, or I'll slow down my vocal play and it's reminding me to slow down, or I'll go up with my voice and it will remind me to move forward. So all these little messages that come back where you can communicate with your art and you can communicate with the sound that you create. So that's a huge piece of it too. The journey just keeps continuing after you've made these creations.
Yes, so much there. So we invite you to come play with us, come into the Cocoon, and thank you for being here with care and connection from our Cocoon to yours.